Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best electric car jacks that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're gearing up for a long road trip, need a reliable tool for your garage, or want peace of mind for emergencies, this video has you covered. You can find the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Taking the 5th spot on our list is the Benyon Electric Car Jack Kit. This product is a robust hydraulic-driven jack capable of lifting vehicles weighing up to 5 tons in under 2 minutes. Its lifting height range of 6 to 17.7 inches makes it suitable for a variety of vehicles, including sedans, SUVs, MPVs, and trucks. The kit also includes a built-in air pump and LED light, making it a convenient all-in-one solution for emergencies. The bright LED light ensures visibility during nighttime operations, while the air pump allows you to handle tire pressure issues on the go. In terms of design and build quality, the Benyon Jack doesn't disappoint. It comes in a thoughtfully designed plastic case that organizes all components, including the jack, impact wrench, power cable, and even gloves. The materials feel durable and capable of withstanding heavy use. However, at 18.1 pounds, it's slightly heavier compared to other models, which might make portability a bit less convenient. While the Benyon Jack offers reliable performance, it does have its limitations. The automatic stop at height limits and the self-locking system provide safety, but the warning to avoid sloped ground or vehicles over 5 tons is a notable restriction. This jack is ideal for home garages or planned road trips where weight and terrain are predictable. Overall, the Benyon Electric Car Jack is a reliable and well-rounded option, though the heavier design and limited versatility keep it from ranking higher. At number 4, we have the ROG TZ Electric Hydraulic Car Jack Kit. This jack is designed for efficiency, lifting vehicles up to 5 tons in just 60 seconds, an impressive feat that outperforms most competitors in speed. Its lifting height range also caps at 17.7 inches, making it versatile for sedans, SUVs, and light trucks. The built-in air pump with a real-time pressure gauge is an excellent addition, allowing you to inflate tires quickly and accurately. Plus, the included nozzles add versatility for inflating bicycles and other items. The ROG TZ Jack's safety features stand out, with an automatic stop system that prevents overloading and a self-locking design to ensure stability during use. The kit comes in a durable toolbox, complete with gloves and sockets, making it a convenient grab-and-go solution for road emergencies. The bright LED light and red triangle warning sign further enhance safety, especially during nighttime use. However, the ROG TZ Jack is bulkier compared to other models, and at 12 pounds, it's not the lightest option. Additionally, while the jack itself is CE certified and rigorously tested, users have noted that the power cord length could be a bit restrictive depending on vehicle size. Still, if you're looking for a fast, safe, and versatile jack with excellent additional tools, the ROG TZ Jack is a strong contender for your garage or emergency kit. In 3rd place, we have the TYAT Electric Car Jack Kit, offering a 5-in-1 solution for tire changes. This kit includes a hydraulic jack, impact wrench, air pump, warning light, and LED light, all in one compact package. With a lifting capacity of up to 5 tons and a height range of 6 to 17.7 inches, it's a solid choice for most vehicle types, including SUVs, sedans, and MPVs. The built-in LED light is bright enough to ensure visibility even in low light conditions, making it a great companion for nighttime emergencies. The design is practical and user-friendly, with a durable construction that feels reliable. The 11.5-foot power cord is long enough to reach all 4 tires without needing to change the power source, which is a big plus for convenience. This jack also features a self-locking mechanism and an automatic stop when the height limit is reached, enhancing safety during operation. While the TYAT jack performs well, it doesn't offer much to distinguish itself from other products in this category. Its weight of 10 pounds makes it easier to handle, but the lack of standout features or innovations keeps it from climbing higher on the list. Still, its reliable performance, versatile design, and solid build make it a great mid-range option for anyone in need of a dependable electric car jack. Coming in second place is another model from T-Weight, and this one really makes an impression. Like the previous T-Weight product, it offers a 5-in-1 solution for tire changes, but its standout feature is its higher customer rating and slightly improved stability. With the same 5-ton lifting capacity and 6 to 17.7-inch height range, this jack is ideal for a variety of vehicles, including sedans and SUVs. The built-in air pump and LED light continue to be highlights, ensuring you're prepared for any tire-related emergency. The design of this model feels slightly more refined, with a robust steel pressure rod and a self-locking mechanism that ensures the jack stays at a steady height even if the power cuts out. The included impact wrench is powerful and easy to use, making it a great addition for anyone who struggles with manual tire changes. The kit also includes a warning light, which adds an extra layer of safety during roadside repairs. While there are many similarities to the other T-Weight model, this version edges ahead due to its slightly better customer reviews and improved stability features. It's still portable at 10 pounds and comes with a convenient carrying case, making it a great choice for both home use and emergencies. Overall, it's a versatile and reliable option that offers excellent value for the money. And finally, taking the top spot is the eHeelp electric car jack kit. This hydraulic jack is a powerhouse, capable of lifting vehicles up to 5 tons in less than 2 minutes. Its 6.1 to 17.7-inch lifting range makes it suitable for everything from sedans to trucks, and the high-power engine ensures exceptional performance and reliability. What really sets this jack apart is its multifunctionality. It includes a tire inflator pump, a pressure gauge, and LED lights, making it the ultimate tool for emergencies and regular maintenance alike. The eHeelp jack impresses with its robust build quality. The materials feel durable and premium, and the waterproof connectors ensure that you can use it even in rainy conditions. The LED lights are strategically placed to illuminate your workspace, and the jack comes with thoughtful safety features, such as an overload protection system that kicks in when the weight exceeds its limit. The cross-lined bar head improves friction for added stability, which is a nice touch. While this jack is heavier than some competitors at 19.61 pounds, its performance and reliability more than make up for it. The ability to power it via a car cigarette lighter or battery clip adds flexibility, and the included carrying case keeps everything organized. Whether you're at home, on a road trip, or dealing with an emergency, the eHeelp electric car jack kit is the ultimate solution, earning its well-deserved first place on our list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.